Welcome to the Badlands of South Dakota.
This place is like unreal. It is like, I think it's like the moon. This is what the moon would be like. This is the moon on Earth.
Before we get here, we're on the Notch Trail right now, but let's backtrack to when we first got here and we were still in shirt and tie, coming from church. The wind here is no joke.
Like a real life ship, sail.
We could put a string on you and just fly you up in the air. So the shirt and tie is no good for camping, so we're gonna change and go hiking. You alright, Eve? There's our campsite. That's our welcome rainbow. Alright, time to go hiking. See if our tent's still there when we get back. You look good, hon.
I'm like an actual hiking person. I have like shoes, I got water in here, and
Even
snacks.
water?
Yeah,
My goodness.
Water.
Is that the end? Oh, that's deep. Where are we? Oh, hey there. Apparently that's not the Notch Trail. That is. We were close, like that close. Rough terrain, wear sturdy boots. This is a pretty trail. The second we step off the grass, I'm like, we're totally gonna step into a rattlesnake.
He's ready to...
Let's go. Actually gets relatively steeper.
Oh, I'm out of breath.
No hands, no hands. Huh.
Hey!
This kind of goes right up to the edge, so make sure you have some pretty good footing. Probably not these. Present time. Let's hike down and we'll do like the door or the window next. Oh, that ballet training finally coming in handy. Oh, we meet again. It's a standoff again. Sandals are not the best choice of footwear. Slow and steady wins the race, hon. Like a pro.
Stop the landing.
Okay, now we are hiking out to the door trail. We've got this boardwalk to start with, and apparently it ends at a doorway into the Badlands. I think that's our doorway. Nailed it. What do you think of the door trail?
This was really cool. I'm gonna say that. But it was nice because it was a short walk out here and then you kind of just get to explore everything.
Yeah, it's just free range. As soon as you get off the boardwalk, just kind of run wild all over the place out here.
Like there are trail markers, but you can go where the heck ever you want.
This trail marker is basically so you don't fall down one of the crevices like this. So should we go back to awesome now?
Well, if we switch between them, I think it'll help balance it out.
Rad? Can we use rad?
You can use rad.
Let's bring that back.
Bunny!
There's a bunny. Hey, bunny. It's cute. We've come back to the campground and we're gonna have a little dinner and then they're gonna do a night show. I know some people ask us what we eat. What are you eating?
I'm eating salad. It's a leftover salad, so the dressing was separate and mixing it together and added a few things.
I'm doing peanut butter and jelly. We got a new peanut butter after the other day's catastrophe. So this is the amphitheater and at 9 o'clock tonight they're gonna do a show. That's the moon.
I got the moon.
It's through the telescope. So cool. No, can't really see us. The evening program was okay, but the night sky program, where they're showing off all the different constellations and the International Space Station and satellites and telling us all about the different stars and galaxies and stuff. So cool. Oh, not cool. Incredible, amazing, awesome. Apparently we say cool way too much on this vlog.
It was incredible. We learned so much. We saw it. They told us all about satellites, which was really cool, and we saw the International Space Station. Oh, dang it! We saw the International Space Station moving, and his laser pointer.
The laser pointer was incredible. Anyways, we'll see you tomorrow when you can actually see us. Good morning. That sun is bright.
I'm blocking it with you.
The tent held up, so...
Stop moving.
Sorry. It was a good night, and now we're gonna break down the tent. So we'll see in a minute. So, quick little review of this campsite. We camped at Cedar Pass, which is about a quarter mile past the visitor center, and we loved it. It's flat, it's nice, view of the Badlands, bathroom, shower, water, everything you need. Great little campsite. So right now, we're gonna drive the length of the Badlands and just kind of check out everything on the way.
We're driving to Mars.
One of the cool things about the Badlands, at least the national park here, is that you can stop the car and get on any of these little side trails and just wander off into the park. It's not contained to just the road. Just watch for rattlesnakes. But just over this bank, there's a bunch of deer. And the deer heard me coming a mile away, and they ran away. So this is the fossil exhibit trail. Nice.
Hi.
Along the way they've got little signs about fossils because the Badlands National Park here is home to millions and millions of fossils, and the ground erodes about 1 inch every year, and visitors actually find about 300 new fossils a year, and then they report them back to the visitor center, and then the paleontologists come out and investigate. So we are following the road all the way along here, and then we're going to cut out to Wall. So this is Basin Overlook. So the overlook is cool, for sure. But on the other side of the road, there's Prairie Dogs! Look at him standing up. He's talking to you.
I love how their whole body moves when they like hiccup, and it's like when a human hiccups.
So there is a trail right here, which leads straight to a prairie dog, right at the end of the trail there. But as we're standing here, I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but every couple of seconds you hear a rattlesnake. So I'm not gonna go down that trail. I think that's the smarter move. And they just stretch all the way down there. It's so cool. How many do you think there are?
There's gotta be thousands.
Yeah.
Gotta be.
It's so fun. Creeping up on this guy. you are. Awesome. So checking in here. We are almost to Pinnacles, which is right up here. And we're on the hunt for bighorn sheep. We're not actually hunting for them, we're looking for them. This is the ancient Hunter's Overlook. You can see forever. So this is the Pinnacles Overlook, which is pretty impressive. See you later, Badlands. Subscribe if you want to see more. We've got a lot more of this road trip coming up. We are headed towards the Wall Drugstore, which is a crazy phenomenon, which we're just excited to go check out. Yeah. So if you want to go see that video,
no idea what's coming.
Click on this thing up here and subscribe. Okay, we'll see you later. Bye. Wall drug.
Wall drug.
Wall drug. Wall drug.
Wall drug.
Wall drug.